number 1, umihi. 1 point kakay. Ay gulay, di ba yung mga moves na yan, no? Pass number 3, back, 1, pull up. Rebound and then bump, save the ball. Pass it to number 2. Number 2, drive C. Blocked by number 5. White. It's number 2, for the white team. Umihi, wala. Rebound again by number 3, for the green. Drive C. Pass. Fake. Spin. Block. Alright. Ito na yung zero number 1 mo. Umihi, Binopa, wala. Rebound play, nakuha number 2. Pasa niya sa ilalim namin na agaw. Okay, Team Brothers versus Team Jump Shot. White ball for the jump shot. Eto na yung white team. Low post play again. Low post play. Kinaliwa. Iba na matagkad. Here's the brothers. Team Brothers. Number 1. Up. Steal again by number 4 for the jump shot. Crossover dribble. Tumira. Malakas. Rebound by the Team Brothers. For number 3. Jump shot. Bang! Low post move, malakas. Naagaw sa rebound. Nakuha ng number 2. Pasa niya. It's number 2. Right seat. Wala. Behind the back dribble. Up! Nugget! Sa kanyang maling yung rebound, no? Hindi lang. Wala. White ball. Ito na yung atake ng Team Johnson. Number 3 player. Up! May foul na buha. Foul for the damn team. Nugget. Rebound play na po ng white team. May foul. Here's the number 1 player for Team Brothers. For number 3, jump shot. No good. May power ng Team Neon Green. Substitution. Number 12, team number 4. Number 3, dive seat. No good. Rebound by number 1. For the Team Neon Green. Nabitawan yung bola. Save ball. For 2 points, Nugget. Rebound. Drive sheet up. Shot block violation. Low post mo by number 1. Pumi, jump shot, short, rebound number 3. Yes, 1 point. Ha? Bigyan na ba? Pwede ba na siya? Rakap tempok na yun ah. Number 3, for the team jump shot. For number 1, jump shot lang yan. No good. Rebound by number 1 for the team Neon Green. The brothers, the sisters. Jump shot up. Save ball. Pangalan ng team nila is the brothers. The brothers and sisters up. May foul. White. Number 4. Si number 1. 14 points. In and out. Rebound by number 1 player. 14 jump shot. White team. Sinisir na sa kanilang atake. Ito na si number 4. Number 4. Drive C. Pumihit. Ay! Foul na naman ang tinawag. 14 foul. Last 4 and 3. Up! Bang! Sword, 2-4. Foul. Third personal foul. Dalawa lang ang nakabulin. Isa na mga player. Speed. Nice defense. Drives in. At may one foul. White ball. White foul. Team white. Third team foul. 14 points. Bang! Tabla tayo! Tabla! Walk from Juarez! Steal again by Derby! Pass number 3! Mete! Pasa! Block by number 2! Here's number 1, go Lopez play! Lopez play! Bang!
Ay!
Here's number 4, 14 boys! David! 2 minutes and 36. Bang! Dalawa lang, dalawa! Never! Or 2 months! Never! Last 2 minutes and 9. That's it! 5, 6, 7, 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Up, up, up. 3 seconds, violation. Neon green ball. Last 1 minute 53. Isa na 4. Nakakita ng 4. Up, tabla tayo. Tabla tayo, tabla. 6 out. 1 minute 46. He's number 1, jumps up, in and out. He's number 4, up, foul. Neon green foul, penalty.
Nice bro!
5, 15 foul. White ball. Naagaw ng Team Yorkie. Ultimate! Rebound play na by number 4. Team Yorkie. Up, up, up. All white team. 14 foul. 6 all is the score. 1 minute 28 seconds. Nakapita na naman ang wag. Lumabas. Ilabas ang bola. Bang. Jump down. Bang. Labak na. Labahan na Team Yorkie. Labas play. Up, 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 up. Wow. Warning for penalty. Check ball. Play. Up, up. Offensive foul by one team. Itinulak sa ere. Ay! 1 minute 7 seconds. Or si boys. Is number 3. Nancy. Devin. Labas sa number 4. That's number 3. For picture line. Ben! Is number 3. Ayaw up! Penalty. Penalty.
Jet,
Last 43 and 9 seconds. 2 free throws. First throw.
sure, Dobam.
And ating first throw. Up. 1 point. Kabayo yung free throw na yan ah. Second throw. What? Tabla tayo, tabla! 43.9! Isa pa 4! Nakagaw! 38 seconds! Steal!
Ay, aring.
May foul niya ni referee.
Gaya pa sa ay.
Warning for penalty. White team. It's round of 4. That's it. Nine.
Nice one.
Foul by Leon Casey.
Wala nagkadima ako. Uy, pataka dia.
Huwag kailangan din ng medic.
Balikan na niya.
Yes. Ipatindog natin ka, Bills. Thank you, Bills, sa patindog. Crucial free throws by number 2 players of Team Jump Shot. 23.6 seconds. Unang bitaw. Siya bitaw. Para free throw ni Sir Opinando. Pangalawang bitaw. Dalag! Outside of the rebound! Number 3! I've seen! Bang! Dalawa! Jump shot! Black! Up! 6! 4! Up!
Yan. Last time. Hindi.